Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Diamond Crew, Diamond Squad. What's going on? Let's go ahead and get it with another job offer that we have. We have 3 lined up in this video. So the third one will be a bonus. So the first one will be intake coordinator. It's a company called Workers' Compensation Company. It is a remote position and $16 to $18 per hour full time. Now the qualifications for this job, you have to have a computer skills 1 year required, high school or equivalent preferred, customer service 1 year preferred. Benefits is 401k, 401k matching, dental insurance, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, vision insurance. The full job description is here. The intake coordinator is a qualified person responsible for the coordination of initial health home care, not initial health, initial home care and DME referrals in the work comp industry. Excuse me. Intake coordinators serve as a liaison between referral sources, patients, caretakers, adjusters, sales department, and staff. Essential duties: demonstrates excellent customer service and respect for customers, co-workers, and management. Answer phone in a timely, polite fashion and communicate messages effectively. Provide efficient document management for incoming orders, emails, faxes, clinical notes, and RXs. Process all new referrals. Contact adjusters, doctors, nurse case managers, injured workers for confirmation of orders and demographics. Create hard copy and electronic files. Complete assigned tasks within company specified time frame. Assist with special projects as assigned. Job requirements: a positive attitude and attention to details are a must. Microsoft Word, Excel knowledge. Knowledge of general office equipment. Great organizational skills. Excellent verbal and written skills. Must be detail-oriented. Work comp experience is a plus. Able to speak a second language is a plus. Hours of operation and the hours that you will be scheduled, and the hours of operation is 9 o'clock a.m. through 5 o'clock p.m. Monday through Friday. The job type is full-time. Application questions: you have requested that Indeed asks candidates the following questions. Are you willing to undergo a background check in accordance with local law regulations? And the pay again is $16.18 per hour. The benefits are right here. Once again, 401k plan is within these benefits. Schedule 8-hour shifts Monday to Friday. Education: high school diploma equivalent preferred. Experience, as I said above, customer service 1 year preferred, and computer skills 1 year required. And it's a remote position. They're hiring for 2 candidates for this role only. It just got posted today. So if you can just hop on that so you guys can go ahead and apply and get accepted and get your application in, because it's a great job to be had. $16 to $18 per hour. It started with $16 and it's up to $18. So go ahead and apply and believe in yourself, because you are able to get this job. You are able to land this job. I know you can do it. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. The next job is the customer service virtual called virtual hiring event, and it will be for iAcquire. It's in North Charleston, South Carolina. $15 an hour full time. You have to have experience with customer service, and this is a hiring for the CSR position, of course, and it's $15 an hour full time. The virtual interview will take place on Indeed, so you won't need to download anything. August the 10th, 2022, 10 a.m. through 2 p.m. Estimated duration time for the interview will be 30 minutes. Each candidate will have their own time slot. The benefits for this job will be 401k, dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off, paid training, referral program, tuition reimbursement, and vision insurance. Full job description. We are searching for customer service representatives to support one of our premier clients. In this role, you will create a positive experience for each caller by listening to and understanding their reason for calling. Use tools and resources to address all inquiries and provide complete and accurate information. Candidates must be able to train on site for 1 week at our North Charleston site, located at 8440 Dorchester Road, North Charleston, South Carolina, before moving to work at home. Training schedule is Tuesday through Saturday, 11:30 a.m. through 8 p.m. I repeat, Eastern Standard Time, 11:30 a.m. through 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Must be flexible for production schedule, range from 7 a.m. through 11 p.m. and work a Saturday or Sunday for a 40-hour work week. The other perks they have for this job, the CSR position, is bonus monthly performance based. Raise potential every 3 months based on performance. Casual dress, fun working environment, referral bonuses. So if you refer someone to this company, you will be able to get paid a referral bonus for every person that you tell about this job and who applies to this job. You can tell them about it, but they have to apply. They have to apply to the CSR representative position with I-Corps. Work at home requirements. It is a dedicated workspace that is located within your own residence, that is quiet, a place that you will not be disturbed and where there are no noises from your surroundings during work hours. Equipment will be provided to you by I-Corps. This company will provide the equipment for you to start working from home. Internet wire connection required, no wireless. Must be able to connect acquired equipment to a router with an Ethernet cord. Minimum speed, 10 megabits per second download, 5 megabits per second upload. Responsibilities. Handle inbound and outbound calls and greet customers with enthusiasm and confidence. Understand and strive to meet or exceed contact center metrics while providing excellent customer service. Demonstrate active listening skills. Strive for first call resolution and take true ownership of customer needs and issues. Deliver amazing customer service by connecting with your customer and demonstrating a caring and empathetic approach during each engagement. Always have empathy for your phone, all the callers. That's one thing I learned about being a work from home call representative myself. You always show empathy and you always express that you understand what they're going through and everything. So this is a great job position for anyone who has patience and who loves to talk and speak and who loves to socially speak with people and make people feel better. I mean, it falls into the hands of maybe like healthcare, basically. But it's for every role within every position in the career, in any career. You be empathetic to the customer because it lets them know that you care about their situation. So this is a great job, you guys. Just go ahead and apply. Schedule an interview first, and yes, they'll move you on from that step, and they'll tell you what to do exactly after you finish doing that and getting your interview scheduled. Requirements: experience in customer service and or collections environments such as a contact center or retail location. Must have the ability to work independently and in a team environment. Demonstrate strong problem-solving skills, maintain data accuracy and performance standards, self-motivated and able to adapt and comprehend changes in business processes or procedures. High school diploma, GED, trade, vocational school, certificate, or equivalent required. Technical requirements. After signing up, you will be sent an email with instructions on how to connect. Please be prepared to join the virtual interview from a quiet place using a desktop or mobile device with a working speaker, microphone, and camera. Check to see if your network connection can support an online session, a plugged-in Ethernet card, or a strong Wi-Fi network connection will help avoid time delays during your conversation. Preferred dress code, business casual, dress pants, skirt, button-down blouse, optional tie. And once again, here are the perks. Once again, monthly performance bonuses and quarterly reviews and raises based upon performance, career development and management, and training, travel and entertainment discounts, and comfortable work environment, no standing for long hours. So this job is just posted today. You guys just jump on that, and I'm moving on to the next job. This is a daytime virtual agent. It's for $10 per hour. It's full time. I'm gonna briefly go over this job because it's very short and it's Monday through Friday job. And this job is particularly daytime virtual agent for Lester Incorporated is currently looking for individuals that are located in Georgia, Kentucky, Ohio, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Alabama. And they're currently hiring for 10 candidates. So if you seem like you are the type to go ahead and do daytime virtual and become a daytime virtual assistant agent, then you can get into this. You spend the day talking to people about various industries all over the U.S. from the comfort of your own home. No sales, no cold calls, and no politics. We are a business-to-business customer service center that believes in paying employees an hourly wage, not on commission and not on as a contractor. So you have to have high-speed internet, no prior phone work experience necessary, and you will receive paid training. So that's job number 2. Now job number 3 is a cleaning technician. It's an Impact. The company is called Impact Professionals LLC. It's $16 an hour. I'll go over this briefly with you guys. It's a high school diploma or equivalent. And the qualifications, this one is not fully remote because you need your driver's license, required U.S. Authorization, and cleaning experience 1 year preferred. All of these are preferred except for U.S. work authorization and driver's license because those both are required. And preferred night shift, day shift, or overnight shift. These are all preferred. And the benefits of this job is that you'll have an employee discount, flexible schedule, and referral program. You'll clean, stock, and supply designated faculty areas, dusting, sweeping, vacuuming, mopping, cleaning, cleaning ceiling vents, restroom cleaning, etc. And the skills that you have to have integrity, knowledge of cleaning chemicals and supplies. Oh yes, a major plus. And supplemental pay, you have commissions pay. And you have to have, it's preferred, you have to have cleaning experience is preferred. And hiring is ongoing, need to fill this role. And that's it for this video, you guys. Those are the top 3 jobs that I have for you guys listed today. Hopefully you would jump on it because opportunity is knocking. It won't last long. They're hiring. They just posted. And blessings to you guys. Hopefully you guys will get on and jump on these jobs because they're hot. And thanks for watching, my diamonds. And new people who are subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Thank you very, very much. And you guys have a great day. And let's go. See you on the next video.